All right, let's move on to speaking part two. And your topic is describe a party that you enjoyed. Yes, please.
Basically, I attended a lot of parties in my life, but here I discuss about a birthday party of my sister. Uh, it was his 16th birthday, and I enjoyed it a lot because surprised it at home. My parents and my other siblings are also with me. When she left for the college in the morning. We decorate our home, and my mother baked a cake for her, and I ordered some other foods like fritters, pizza, burgers, and other beverages. Uh, when she came home, uh, we played a birthday song for her, and everyone slapped and wish wish her birthday. Um, wish her birthday. Then we enjoyed a lot. Along with this, we organized we organized music, passing the
Okay,
couch.
thank you so much. You have spoken for 1 minute 20 seconds. Overall, fine. The first thing is grammar. The second, I realized many sentences you copied from the book. So if you use these copied answers in actual exam, that'll bring you low bench score. Try to produce your own sentences and come up with your own ideas. And you're taking pauses as well, like try to overcome that as well. I mean, practice can beat all these things.
Okay.
Okay. Now we move on to speaking part three. Why do people like parties?
I think due to their daily routine works, people get tired of their works, uh, so they need a change to relax them mentally and also physically, because like these birthday parties bring a lot of enjoyment and happiness in their life, so that they can relax and they can
Okay,
do
why
further.
do some people dislike the parties?
Uh, um, some people don't like the parties because they want to uh, uh, remain in their comfort zone. They like an peaceful environment. So many people don't like
This is
parties.
very good. Keep it up. You need practice. And if you practice, you'll become more confident. The way you are speaking very carefully, I'm giving you 5.5. But with a little extra effort, you can improve your band
Okay,
score. All the best. Thank
thank
you.
you.